Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 21 of AWS tutorials. Today we'll see what is EventBridge and how to use it. So guys, this is going to be our flow diagram today. In EventBridge, we'll create two rules with two different patterns and we'll attach these two different lambdas with those rules. Now, when producer will publish an event to this EventBridge, then this EventBridge will check that received event and match the event patterns. And let's say if it is matching with rule 1, then it will trigger the lambda 1, else it will trigger the lambda 2 if it is matching with rule 2. So guys, in EventBridge, producers don't send messages to a queue, they publish events. EventBridge evaluates the rules and pushes event to targets. So here we have lambdas as a consumer, so they react when something happens and there is no polling like SQS triggers. So let's see how it works. Let's go to AWS console. So guys, let's create two target lambdas first. Let's create a function. Provide the function name. By Shashank, EventBridge target 1 lambda. And the runtime will select Python 3.14 and create the function. So guys, our function has been created. Let's go to the code section. And guys, here we'll write a very simple code. Let's log a message. Lambda 1 receive the message. And here we'll log the event. That's it guys. And now let's deploy this code. Let's create another lambda and there also we'll write the same code. So let's copy it and create one more function. Provide the function name. By Shashank EventBridge target to lambda. In runtime we'll select Python 3.14 and create the function. Guys, our second lambda has been created. Let's go to the code section and we'll paste the same code here. And here I'll put lambda 2 and let's deploy this code. So guys, now our both the lambdas are ready. Now let's create EventBridge rules. We'll search EventBridge here. And guys, here in the left hand side, under this buses, we'll open rules. So guys, if you see here, we have this event bus. For now, we'll use only default bus. And if we scroll down, here we have to create event pattern rules. So let's create a rule. And guys, here you just make sure this option is disabled. Otherwise, you will see a different UI. I'll just show you. You will see something like that. Okay, but for simplicity, let's just disable it. And let's provide the rule name here. So I'll just simply write rule 1. And here you just make sure event bus is default only and click on the next button. And now in event source, we'll select this first option. And if we scroll down, now we have to define event pattern. So guys, here we'll select a custom pattern because we are going to send the events manually. And let's create a pattern here. So guys, here I'll just match only two keys, source, and here let's write my app, and in detail type, let's put order created. So guys, what it will match? So guys, it will match source and detail type fields. If the source value is my app and detail type value is order created, then this rule will get succeeded. So this is our event pattern for first rule. Now let's click on this next button. And here in the target, we'll select AWS service and here we'll select Lambda. And here we'll select our first Lambda, target 1 that we just created. And here it will going to create an execution rule by its own. So just leave it as it is and let's click on the next button. Next. And let's create it. So guys, our first rule is ready. Now let's create another rule and let's name it as rule 2 and make sure event bus is default only. Now let's click on this next button and scroll down. We'll select custom pattern and here also we'll use the same fields. Source, here I'll write my app, and let's say if I want to use another value as well, so I'll put my app 1. So now in the event, if the source value is my app or it's my app 1, it will match. So here in this list, we can provide any other possible value that we can receive in the event. And in the detail type, here I'll put payment success. And let's click on this next button. And here we'll select Lambda function. This time we'll select target 2. So this is the target 2 Lambda that we created. And let's click on the next button. Next. And create the rule. So guys, our both the rules are ready now. Let's test it. So guys, we'll go into this event buses. Here we'll click on this send events. So guys, just make sure you have selected this default bus. So guys, for now we created event patterns for these two fields only, source and detail type. Okay, so in source I'll write my app. In the detail type I'll put order created. These are the values that I put in the rule 1. And in the event detail section, I'll provide a simple JSON object. I'll just write order ID as 123. So guys, here in event detail, I can put anything because in event pattern, I have created condition on these two fields only, source and detail type. Now I'll click on the send button. So guys, if you see here, this is the fourth key, source. Here I have put my app and this is the detail type where I have provided order created. And the JSON object that we have passed is coming inside this detail. So now let's check the logs of Lambda 1. We'll open CloudWatch logs and let's click on the search log group. So guys, if you see here, it has logged Lambda 1 received the message and this is the event that this Lambda is received. So guys, if you see here, the detail type is order created and the source is my app. And here in the detail, it has received order ID as 123. Okay guys, and now let's check whether it has triggered Lambda 2 as well or not. We'll open CloudWatch logs. So guys, if you see here, it has not triggered Lambda 2 because this log group does not exist. So guys, that means this Lambda has not been triggered till now. And now let's go to EventBridge and let's send one more event. So we'll click on this edit button. So this time instead of this order created, I'll pass payment success. And here instead of this order ID, I'll put payment ID. I can put anything here. And let's put 1234 here. And let's click on the send button. So guys, if you see here, this time detail type is payment success and source is my app. Now this time it will trigger Lambda 2. So let's go to the CloudWatch logs and refresh this page. Let's click on the search log group. And guys, if you see here, Lambda 2 received the message and this is the event. And here the detail type is payment success and source is my app. And now let's check the logs of first Lambda. It should not have received that message. So guys, if we just refresh it, if you see here, it has not received any other message. These are the logs of the previous event. So guys, this is how EventBridge works. In EventBridge, you can create multiple rules and based on the event, it will evaluate all the rules and based on the matches, it will trigger the targets. So guys, this is how EventBridge works. Thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video, we'll see SNS. And if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any doubt, just put it in the comment box.